Which Husqvarna chainsaw is actually good? Simple question, but you have to do a bit of digging to get the answer. Today, we're doing exactly that. Product number 1, Husqvarna 460 Rancher. First up is the Husqvarna 460 Rancher, a powerful gas-powered chainsaw that's caught my attention with its 63cc X-Torque engine and 24-inch bar. At around $649, it's definitely on the pricier side, but if you want serious power for heavy-duty tasks, this is worth a serious look. The Smart Start feature ensures effortless starting, and its inertia-activated chain brake minimizes the risk of kickback, which is crucial for safety. Plus, the automatic adjustable oil pump keeps your chain lubricated, reducing wear and tear. With a 4.5-star rating from 525 reviews, it's clear that users appreciate its performance and reliability. Now, some people complained about its weight being a bit heavy for extended use. Here's the thing though, if you're handling large tasks like tree trimming or land clearing, that power comes with a bit of heft. It's really about finding the balance between comfort and capability. This is perfect for you if you're a serious woodworker or someone who frequently needs to tackle big outdoor jobs. Skip this one if you're looking for something lightweight or just need a chainsaw for occasional yard work. For the performance it offers, this chainsaw is a solid investment. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for casual users who still want reliability without too much bulk. Product number 2, Husqvarna Maintenance Kit. Next up, we have the Husqvarna Maintenance Kit priced at just $22.89. Now, this may not be a chainsaw, but if you own a Husqvarna, it's a must-have. It includes an air filter, fuel filter, and spark plug to keep your chainsaw in top-performing condition. Here's why this matters for you specifically. Maintaining your chainsaw can significantly extend its life and performance. Regularly changing the air and fuel filters can improve efficiency, while a fresh spark plug ensures your chainsaw starts up smoothly every time. With a 4.6-star rating from over 321 reviews, users rave about how easy this kit makes maintenance, saving you time in the long run. Now, some might say that it's just basic maintenance parts, but here's the thing, skipping maintenance could lead to costly repairs later. Investing a small amount now can prevent big headaches down the road. This is perfect for you if you want to ensure your Husqvarna chainsaw runs optimally and lasts longer. Skip this one if you're not planning to do regular maintenance or don't own a Husqvarna chainsaw. It's a smart, economical choice for anyone serious about their equipment. So if the maintenance kit sounded like a good idea, wait until you hear about the next chainsaw. It's a great entry-level option for those new to chainsawing. Product number 3, Husqvarna 130 Gas Chainsaw. Coming in at number 3 is the Husqvarna 130 Gas Chainsaw, which is priced competitively and has a 38cc engine. This one's great for homeowners who need a reliable tool without breaking the bank. What grabbed my attention is its 2 HP engine and 16-inch bar, making it easy to handle for wood cutting and tree pruning. With a solid 4.2-star rating and over 880 reviews, it's clear that this chainsaw is a favorite among casual users. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The X-Torque engine technology reduces emissions and fuel consumption, which is fantastic for the environment and your wallet. Plus, the low vib technology significantly cuts down on vibrations, meaning less fatigue during longer jobs. However, some users did express concerns about its power for larger jobs. But here's the thing, if you're using it for lighter tasks, the 130 has just the right amount of oomph. It won't tackle massive trees, but for yard work it's spot on. This is perfect for you if you're a homeowner or beginner looking for a reliable chainsaw for occasional use. Skip this one if you need something for heavy-duty work. It's a fantastic value for the price. Now, if you're looking for something with a bit more cutting power, the next chainsaw on my list might be the perfect fit. Product number 4, Husqvarna X-Cut S93G File Kit. At number 4, we have the Husqvarna X-Cut S93G Chainsaw File Kit, priced at $20.99. While not a chainsaw itself, this sharpening kit is essential for anyone serious about maintaining their chainsaw blades. What's cool about this kit is that it includes everything you need for sharpening 3/8 mini pitch chains, including flat and round files, a file handle, and a combination guide. With a 4.7-star rating from 54 reviews, it's praised for how straightforward it makes the sharpening process. Here's why this matters for you specifically. Keeping your chainsaw chain sharp means cleaner cuts and less strain on your machine, which ultimately extends its lifespan. The guide helps you maintain the right angles every time, making it easy for anyone to achieve professional results. Some users mentioned that they found the instructions a bit lacking. But honestly, once you get the hang of it, it's pretty intuitive. A little practice goes a long way in making your sharpening game strong. This is perfect for you if you own a Husqvarna chainsaw and want to ensure your chains stay sharp and effective. Skip this one if you're not ready to put in that extra effort for maintenance. It's an affordable way to keep your chainsaw performing at its best. Alright, that brings us to our final product, which is a powerful gas chainsaw designed for those who really need to get the job done. Product number 5, Husqvarna 445S gas chainsaw. Last but not least is the Husqvarna 445S gas chainsaw, priced at around $410.65. This model features a 50cc engine and 18-inch bar, making it a solid choice for serious cutting tasks. What stands out about the 445S is its 3 HP X-Torque engine that maximizes power while minimizing fuel consumption. The Smart Start feature is a lifesaver, allowing for easy startup, while the low vib technology reduces vibrations, making it more comfortable to use. With a 4.2-star rating from 22 reviews, it's clear that this chainsaw is appreciated for its performance. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The increased cutting speed and efficiency means you can get through more wood in less time, which is a big deal for anyone working on larger projects. The air injection system also helps keep the engine clean, prolonging its life. However, some users noted that it can be a bit noisy. Here's my take: all chainsaws are loud, and if you're using it for big jobs, you might expect that. Just ensure you have the proper ear protection and you'll be fine. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a chainsaw that balances power and efficiency for bigger tasks. Skip this one if you need a lightweight option for small yard work. For the performance and features it offers, this chainsaw is a worthy investment. So to wrap it all up, we've got the powerful Husqvarna 460 Rancher for serious users, the essential maintenance kit for keeping your chainsaw in top shape, the Husqvarna 130 for occasional users, the X-Cut file kit for maintenance enthusiasts, and the Husqvarna 445S for those needing a balance of power and efficiency. Each has its strengths and fits different needs, so choose based on what you'll be tackling. Happy cutting!